G'day, it's JD here, and today we're off to try a Malaysian icon, satay. Hello food lovers! Today is the first day of our Malaysian food tour. In this episode, I'm trying a well-known Malaysian food called satay, marinated meat on skewers served with a peanut sauce. In this episode, we are filming at Willy Satay in Kajang, about an hour's drive outside of Kuala Lumpur. Location will be in the description below. Seems to be quite a long queue tonight. Must be a very popular joint. We're trying this place called Willy Satay, which has gotten pretty good reviews. Bagi ayam 20, daging 20, itu lontong dan nasi bagi 2, kambing sudah habis. Ini sate apa? Lembu. So this is beef satay. It's cooking right now. Bang, itu sos apa yang letak itu minyak? Apa sos? Apa? Sos air rempah. So it's some kind of spice water that they're putting on there. And they have the fan to keep the charcoal going. Okay, terima kasih. We're going to try another delicacy in Malaysia here. This is called otak-otak, and it's made with fish paste, and it's wrapped in a banana leaf, and it's grilled over a flame. We'll take it to the table and try it as well while we're waiting for our satay. Okay. Berapa bang?
Hari ini okey.
Ini 5 or 5? Yeah, if nice we'll come back for more. Alright, we have our otak-otak here and the drinks have arrived. We're just waiting for our satay. But look at the size of the juice here. Wow, look at that. We have lychee, we have watermelon, and this is fresh apple juice. You're not going to go thirsty here. This is the otak-otak, another Malaysian delicacy. Let's try it. Open it up from the banana leaf. That's what it looks like. It's made from fish paste. Let's give it a try. Spongy. It has that fish taste with a little bit of kick. It's just a little bit spicy, but it's nice otherwise. It's a nice savory delicacy. Oh, our satay is here. Wow, only one.
Satu lagi bang.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We have chicken and we have beef satay. So this is lontong, this is rice. Steamed rice in a banana sheet, is it? Okay, so that's rice. That's what the chicken satay looks like. In the peanut sauce, the satay sauce. Chicken is well marinated. Very good. It's not too soft. I like it when it's not too soft. Let's try some of the rice. The sauce is excellent. Makes everything good, including the rice. Here's the beef satay. Dip in the sauce. It's cooked well. The beef is cooked well. It's well marinated as well. So full of flavor. So, do you like satay? Have you had satay before? Drop us a comment and let us know. Go ahead and click the like button if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button if you like more content from this channel. See you next episode.